Hey friends, Dawn here with Tech Savvy Creative. Welcome back to day 3 of our Spring Clean Your Tech Challenge. We're going to be tackling our browsers today. And the best part about this is going to be a quick win for us. We've tackled a couple things already that have been a little bit larger and overwhelming, like our desktop and our inbox, that dreaded inbox. If you need to see any of those previous videos or our future videos, you can find the links in the description below. All right guys, so let's dive in to cleaning up our browsers.
Okay, let's tackle this task. Now, because this is so quick, I'm actually going to do this in both Chrome and in Safari. I personally use Chrome most often. However, there are times where I might open Safari to either try something different or to test it in a different type of browser. These are the two that tend to be most popular on a Mac. However, if you are using another browser or if you're on a PC instead of a Mac, you can find directions on how to take these steps in those browsers in the description below. You can also find links to that set of instructions in the email that comes with this challenge. Okay, so let's start with Chrome. Make sure you are signed in to your account. That way you don't have to do this multiple times if you have multiple computers. When we take care of this and you're signed in, they do sync across, so we won't have to do it multiple times. All right, so what I'm going to do for Chrome is I'm going to go up to my toolbar, click Clear Browsing Data. Now, we are focused on step 1 and step 2 here. We're going to be clearing our history as well as clearing our cache. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to change the time range to all time, and then I am going to make sure all 3 of these things are checked. I'm going to click Clear Data, and that's it. Not too bad. I do this fairly often, so it wasn't too bad. However, if you haven't done this before or if it's been a while, that might take you a few minutes. Now I'm going to jump over to Safari now. Safari is a little different and it does require a couple extra steps. What I'm going to do is click on Safari and then Clear History. This drop down will appear and I want to choose All History and then push the Clear History button and then it's gone. Next, to clear our cache, we do have to turn on a setting to make sure that we have access to that ability. To do that, click on Safari, Preferences, Advanced, and then check the box for Show Develop menu in Toolbar. When you do that, you will now see a Develop item right here up in your toolbar. What we're looking for is this option right here that says Empty Caches. Go ahead and click on that. All right, that's it. Step 1 and step 2 are complete on both Safari and in Chrome. Next, I'm going to focus on my favorites and my bookmarks. So I'm going to do this over here in my default browser, which is Chrome, and I am going to get everything organized. Once I have that done, I can easily import them over into Safari, and I'm going to show you how I do that. Okay, I am going to come up here, click on Bookmarks, and then Bookmark Manager. So these are all of the bookmarks that I currently have. A lot of them are good and I still want to keep them. However, there are some that are just so old and I no longer use them. So now I'm going to jump over to Safari and import the bookmarks over there. So I'm jumping over here. I currently have no bookmarks in Safari. I'm going to click on Import from Google Chrome. Yes, just the bookmarks. Import. Here we go. Now they match. All set. Okay, so that's step 3. We're all done. Our final thing we're going to do is review our plugins in our browser. Now, plugins are like mini apps that help us accomplish tasks, save money, other amazing things in our browser. So I'm going to go up here to Chrome, Preferences, and then over here on the left it says Extensions. Now I can see all of the extensions that are already downloaded into my browser. I'm going to take a look at that and go ahead and delete and remove any of those tools that you no longer use. Okay, that was pretty simple and straightforward. All good to go there. Now, I'm going to do the same over in Safari. I'm going to jump over to Safari. So I'm going to go click on Safari and Preferences. And then I'm going to click on this Extension tab. So, pretty straightforward. I don't have a ton here. I am going to remove Honey just because I don't use this browser a ton. Okay, so that one's done. I do use Todoist, but I don't use the plugin, so I'm just gonna go ahead and turn that off. This one does come with the tool itself, and I still use the tool, I just don't necessarily need the plugin. So I'm gonna leave this here and just uncheck this, and I do use Tailwind, so I think we're good to go here. So that's it. Nothing fancy here. Everything's pretty straightforward, and we are done.
Ta-da! That wasn't too bad, right? A nice quick win for us on day 3 of this challenge. Now, tomorrow we're gonna be diving into a larger topic, which are our mobile devices. These devices are the heart and soul of our businesses, but also connecting with others, especially in a time like now. As I record this, we are currently in a quarantine time. So we're gonna be diving in to help clean out that space on those mobile devices so you will never see storage not available ever again. I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. I'll see you tomorrow.